Hey, I want to remind you that this weekend is Mother's Day. So if you haven't had a chance to get a card or make plans for your mom or any mom in your life, we have an idea that'll make her light up. You know, for most moms, it's more meaningful that you call or be with her on Sunday than anything else. And rather than getting her some gift just to get her something, what do you say I show you how to whip up a special breakfast that's filled with TLC? All we do is mix together a good amount of pancake mix with a couple of eggs, milk, club soda, and vegetable oil. You see, the bubbles in the club soda will make this light and fluffy. Now we pour this into muffin cups and top each with some fresh fruit. Here we're using blueberries in some and cut up apples in others. Once they're filled, we pop them in the oven and bake them for 25 minutes or until they pass the toothpick test. When they're done, we top them with some pancake syrup to make them even more to die for. So here's what I suggest. Go online and get the recipe for our Fruity Pancake Muffins so you'll be able to treat Mom extra special this Sunday. And while you're making them, don't forget to add in your own TLC. That's tender loving care. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a very special way for you to say, ooh, it's so good. Happy Mother's Day.